P0310 code showing? Check just 2 things before spending big. Method A, spark plug. Method B, ignition coil. In this video, I will show you which method will fix your car. So let's start with the real thing. If you're getting a P0310 error code, this video will show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0310. Specifically, this points to cylinder number 10 experiencing misfires. To resolve this issue, you can explore a couple of easy do-it-yourself options. Method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under their protective plug covers. First, carefully remove the spark plug from its housing. Grab your spark plug gapper to check the gap spacing. Typically, the proper measurement should fall between 0.024 and 0.071 inches. As you can see, the gap on this plug is a bit too narrow, so use the gapper tool to carefully widen it back into the normal range. However, if you spot any obvious physical damage, cracks, or heavy wear on the spark plug, skip the adjustment and simply replace it with a brand new one. Method B, the ignition coil. Ignition coils are typically mounted directly on the cylinder head, right above each spark plug. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine, then check it closely to see if it is stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is simply covered in engine oil or grime, you can easily clean it up using a cleaner like WD-40. However, if the coil is physically damaged, go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. To wrap things up, you have 2 effective ways to address the P0310 error code post-repair. Simply open the Zeus app to clear out the fault, then run a quick rescan to ensure your vehicle is completely good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more DIY repair videos. Up next is the P0310 Engine Code, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching Engine Clinic.